More than 100 years ago, American engineers developed massive machines during the construction of the Panama Canal. Although Panama is a narrow strip of land, its terrain is extremely rugged. Because of this, the first task was to remove enormous mountains to make way for the canal. To overcome this challenge, the engineers created a powerful steam-powered excavator. It used steel cables and gears to move the mechanical arm and control the forward and backward motion of the bucket, allowing it to load the excavated soil directly into rail cars. These rail cars, also pulled by steam locomotives, then transported the material to disposal sites. However, the engineers soon realized that relying solely on manual labor to unload all that earth would be a tremendous challenge. Not only would it require thousands of workers, but it would also significantly slow down the project. To solve this problem, they installed a tilting mechanism at the rear of the rail cars. By harnessing the pulling force of the steam locomotive, the system allowed the soil to be dumped quickly and efficiently. Afterward, crawler tractors pushed and leveled the earth, preparing the ground for the next stage of construction. As the project progressed, it was also necessary to constantly relocate the railroad tracks used by the locomotives. If this had been done using traditional methods, it would have required an enormous amount of manual labor. Instead, the engineers adopted a flexible track system, combined with a specialized track shifting machine capable of lifting the rails and, with the help of a rotating boom, quickly repositioning them in a new location. Once the mountains had been removed, construction began on the massive concrete structures at both ends of the canal. For this phase, engineers developed a gigantic steam-powered crane equipped with a steam-driven pulley system. It was capable of lifting huge buckets filled with concrete and moving them precisely in every direction, making concrete transport much faster than manual labor and dramatically increasing construction efficiency. These revolutionary inventions made it possible to complete the Panama Canal successfully and marked an unforgettable chapter in the history of engineering machinery.